Make that attorney aware if you have pre-planned vacations.
Ramos Law Group PLLC. Choose the firm that chooses you.
Can I get out of a subpoena if I'm actually served during a case? The first thing I think you need to do is look at the top of the case, figure out whose case it is, and call the party that you know. If it's the spouse or a friend of yours that you know, call that spouse. Why do I need to be subpoenaed in your case? What information are you trying to get from me or obtain? And then the next thing you need to do is call that attorney that actually issued the subpoena against you and ask them, what is it that you want from me? If that's necessary testimony, or do you need documents? Because I'll sign whatever to give you the documents if I have them. That way I can get out of it. Because you need to ask about the exceptions. What are the exceptions for me not having to go to court and testify or provide these documents? And if that means you can do one thing or the other, then do that. And especially make that attorney aware if you have pre-planned vacations, irrefundable tickets. Maybe they didn't contact you ahead of time to know actually what you would be testifying to before they subpoenaed you. So tell them, if this is what you anticipated calling me about, I don't know any of that. Or what if your position supports the other side? Maybe they should reconsider whether or not they even want to call you as a witness at all. But if that should have started with that attorney contacting you, or that staff from that attorney contacting you about what information you would be able to provide in this case before actually subpoenaing you. But if there is a subpoena and you can't get out of it, you have to go to court. Puts everybody on risk, everybody's on notice, no telling what's going to come out of your mouth because nobody had that audacity to speak to you ahead of time to make sure what you're going to testify to will be helpful to their case. Make sure if you're served with a subpoena, you also consult with a family law attorney in your area to know what your rights are as a witness or a person that provides documentation or information for that divorcing party.